I'm going to show you how the Stormvault system gets together. It's a very easy click and connect system, and today I'm going to show you how it gets installed. So as you can see here, the Stormvaults all come stacked up on a pallet. You can drop the pallet in your excavation hole itself, and basically the installation is simple as. So here we've got the long ways and the short ways. As you can see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 male pegs and 1, 2, 3, 4 female pegs. Now it's a very easy brick bonding pattern where we basically align the units where the two neighboring units go alternate as male and females. We take the peripheral module, align them here on the edge. As you can see, again we've got male, female, so we are going alternates. Now when we come to the next one, we are lining up the female against the male. You can see again we are having female up against female. Same thing at the end. As you can see now, it's like a matrix of male-female interconnects. Now here, all we need to do is we need to take the top and click it in. Reverse. You can use a rubber hammer or you can use a rubber mallet if you're doing a larger installation. Here, again, we are going to go cross. That's your corners joined up. So the easiest way is to make a tactical L and then start your installation that way. That's it, easy X. As you can see, the whole thing becomes one big matrix. When you're doing a second tier or a double tier, we use these lugs. These lugs are basically a multi-tier connection. So there are designated slots for these to go in. You can put them on the edges. You can put them in the center. You can connect them horizontally as well as vertically. The modules will basically get connected in each direction. Covered most of it. It's very easy at times to add more or less lugs, but the thumb rule is you get a nice square and then locks in all your modules. Now, going to the next tier, if you remember, the first tier was horizontal, so the second tier goes vertical. So here we've got a male and a female. The next one should be a male and a female as well. The last one will again go in a female orientation. So we have male, female, male, female. As we go along, as I said, it's just an easy, simple click and connect system. So here we will go this way and have a male-female connection again. And here we do the same. Maybe do this second tier here and have a male-female. Now, as we come here to this level, we can have two options. As you can see in a brick bonding pattern, we can have female, male, male and female. So this module can technically go here or can go here because it's like a Lego set, it's like a Meccano set. So I'm going to go here to have the lateral bonding on the system. So automatically, now we have bonded these two together. I can also bond this here, that way. I can bond this here, this way. And as you can see, you know, if there's anything that has not locked in properly or anything that has not connected in properly, the undulations of the surface will make sure that you visually can see that. Now, as you can see here, I have two options. I can go in the same direction here, like a brick bonding pattern. Sorry. And the lucky last goes in here, and that's your double. So this is a double decker system. Now, let's say this is a larger footprint or a larger footprint system. We have these designated end plates. Now, the end plates are designed in such a way that they go in all directions, the shorter side and the longer side. So all it is you put the end plates on the peripheries. Just on the peripheries, not on the inner wall. Here, I'll show you a quick update. It's quite easy, locks in itself, and because you can see the studs vertically up, they also help a lot in load bearing capacity of the system. So here we put the plates all around. Running out of a few plates, but should be fine. Shows you the idea. I'm going to come here and take this so they can see, and the plates will go all around in the periphery. So you go all around the periphery of the tanks. Last and final thing, so the side plates will go all around on the periphery of the system. As you can see, it's easy as, quick as, and the perimeter plates will support the geotextile and will also support the geomembrane, and there's a use of the geomembrane in this particular application. The other thing which is worth seeing, the side plate has got pre-designated cutout circles. So you can cut out those windows and plug your pipe in. At any location, you can align your pipe in a way that it protrudes on the side. So basically the side plates go all around the perimeter, and that's your complete system. So as you can see, as the system is now complete, we need to cover it up to cover these holes as the top plate holes. So again, we use the dowels or the horizontal connectors. These are primarily used to make sure that the modules are all nice and tight. They're all secured as one big. Once you backfill, the whole thing is locked in. But this is an extra precaution, and that also helps with your top plate installation or the top cover plate installation. So these lugs go in, as you can see. I can always put a few extra lugs, it doesn't hurt. So we can put one up here, and one right here at the end to connect the two modules. Here we've got a large plate, which is the top cover plate. Basically, this just gets put in here, and that's it. Cement the whole system. We can do the same with all the remaining covers. So the modules, as you can see, it's a very rainy day. You can put all these covers in this direction. They all kind of align, so you will actually know which module is running which way based on the location of the lugs and based on the location of the units. Something very interesting that I would like to show here as well, that once these plates are in, the lugs basically hold the whole system together as one. So you can't even push, it's heavy. The whole system locks in as one big unit. So when we talk about lateral pressures, the system is strong as, because each plate has got a V wedge which gets rested on the columns. As you can see, the V gets rested right up against the columns here. So the system is laterally very strong. It's got a proper clean finish, and that's your system.